Hello and welcome to One Two Step. In this video, we're gonna see how we can verify our email in Crunchyroll. So if you have ever been asked to verify your email in Crunchyroll, here's how you can do it. Just launch your Crunchyroll app. Make sure you have logged into your account. Now, for me, it is saying in the top section that we need to check out our inbox, and we're all done with respect to verifying our email address. Also, if it's been some time that you have created your account, your code or link might have expired. In order to resend the link, just click on this account at the bottom right corner. So from this page, if you scroll down, we can see our email. Just click on it. Now there is resend verification link. So just click on this link and a new link will be sent to your given email address. So let's go ahead and check our email. For sure, we have an email from Crunchyroll. Open it. In order to confirm or verify our email, all you have to do is just click on this link right here. Now it will navigate us to a web page which is saying account successfully verified. To log back into Crunchyroll, we can also click here, or we can go back to our installed app again. Now you know how to verify email address in Crunchyroll. If you found this video helpful, do give this video a big thumbs up, and if you still have any questions or comments regarding verifying email in Crunchyroll, do leave them in the comment section. We'll get back to you right away. Until next time, bye bye.